In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new product in GoHighLevel. By the end of this walkthrough, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and what information you need to fill out, so your product is ready to sell and connect to your funnels or automations. First, make sure you're logged into your GoHighLevel account and that you've selected the correct location or sub-account where you want this product to live. Once you're in the right place, look for the Payments section in the left-hand menu. This is where GoHighLevel keeps everything related to products, invoices, and transactions. Go ahead and click on Payments to open that area. Inside the Payments section, you'll see several options. Find and click on the tab or menu item labeled Products. This is your main dashboard for all the products you've created. If you've never set one up before, this page might be empty, and that's totally fine. If you already have products, you'll see them listed here. Either way, this is where you'll manage and organize everything you sell. Now, to add something new, look for the button that says Create Product. It's usually located towards the top right of the products page. Click on Create Product to open up the product setup form. This is where you'll enter all the important details for your new offer. Start by giving your product a clear, descriptive name so you can easily recognize it later, and your customers understand what they're buying. You can also add a description that explains what's included, who it's for, or any key benefits. If you have categories or tags, use them to keep your products organized, especially if you plan to add more items in the future. Next, set your pricing. Choose whether this is a one-time payment or a recurring subscription, then enter the price and currency. Double check that the amount is correct, since this is what your customers will be charged. Depending on your setup, you may also be able to add things like billing intervals, trial periods, or internal notes for your team. Take a moment to review all the fields on the page. Make sure the name, description, price, and any other options look right, and that everything matches how you plan to sell this product in your funnels or checkout pages. Once you're happy with all the information, scroll down and click on Save. GoHighLevel will create the product and return you to the products list, where you should now see your new item ready to use. From here, you can connect it to your order forms, automations, and any workflows that depend on this product.